I'm gonna give you a video of how to clean your PlayStation 3 in nice top condition. I'm gonna show you what thingies to clean it with. I'll just unplug my PlayStation 3.
Is that heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy.
How heavy is it? About £10?
I say about 2 stone, but it's the best console ever out.
Except for the Elite.
The Elite is shit. Xbox is shit.
The Elite is not shit.
The Elite is shit.
The Elite is not shit. How much space has the PS3 got? 60 gig?
You need Mr. Muscle.
Yeah.
You need Mr. Muscle, and you need Mr. Sheen and Mr. Muscle. So you just spray just a little bit on, because I could leave marks on. Just a little bit of that. Alright, so you scrub just lightly on that. I do this daily, by the way. I do it every day. Don't forget to lift the flap up. And then you leave it for a sec. Just leave it for the few seconds. What's that with it? That's all my money. That's just imaginary. It's imaginary.
Yeah.
That's not real. That's just there.
Yeah.
It is real, mate. Crisp. Lovely money. Oh, what's this Muhammad Ali picture and poster? Oh, this Muhammad Ali. Alright, that's enough. Right, I'll just get the Mr. Muscle now. Right. Use the other side because you don't want it mixed up. You just really scrub that nice and be precious with it though, be precious, because it's lovely. Don't forget to lift the flap up. Then you get Q-tips. Keep the camera on me. Get Q-tips. Just squirt the Q-tip. With the Mr. Muscle. And see the chrome bit, the lovely chrome bit. Only on the 60 gig, the 20 gig is a load of shit. Just nicely do that all around the chromey bit. Get the other end, just dry it off. And don't forget in there that lovely chrome bit as well. Dry it off with that. Just needs a bit more Mr. Muscle on there. Now that's gleaming, that's perfect now. There you have your perfectly clean PlayStation 3. That's it. I hope I've been some help.